Hello dear students, a very good morning. In this video, chapter 4, part 1 science, we will discuss on materials, metals and non-metals. Elements are classified into metals and non-metals based on their physical and chemical properties. Most elements are metals, however, all elements are not metals. Some have different properties and are called non-metals. All metals have some common properties. Let us learn about some of the physical properties of metals. A metal is a material that is typically hard, opaque, shiny, and has good electrical and thermal conductivity. We shall learn properties of these metals in detail. There are 88 metals in the periodic table. Metals are usually in solid state except mercury, gallium, cesium. All other metals are solids at room temperature. Lustrous metals have luster. This means that they are shining or they have a metallic luster. Most metals can be polished to give a characteristic metallic luster. A polished surface of aluminium is a good reflector of light. It is used for making mirrors. Mercury is used in thermometers as it can be seen because of its luster. Ductility. Metals can be melted and drawn into thin wires. This property of metals is known as ductility. So this property is used for soldering wires, chains, electric wires, etc. Malleability. Most metals can be hammered into thin sheets or foils without breaking. This property is known as malleability. Example like aluminium in a foil form are used for packaging food materials, as you can see in the picture. Metals have high density. So most metals have got high density except sodium, potassium, lithium, cesium and francium. Sonorous. Metals are sonorous. It means it makes sound when hit with an object. So metals make a characteristic sound when hit with an object. Conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. That means it allows heat and electricity to pass through it easily. So copper is an excellent conductor of electricity. Good quality household electrical wiring is made from copper wires. And among metals, lead is a poor conductor of electricity. Hardness and softness. Most metals are generally hard in nature, as you can see in the picture. Iron is hard, copper, gold, all these are hard in nature. They have high melting and boiling points, used in places where there is exposure to high temperature. So all metals other than sodium, potassium and lithium, they have high melting and boiling points. That is why cooking vessels are made from metals. The tungsten filament used in electric bulbs has a melting point of 3422 degrees Celsius. So these are some of the properties, physical properties of metals. Now we go to chemical properties of metals. Reaction with oxygen. So most metals are reactive, that is why they are not found in the pure form in nature. Metals like gold and platinum do not react with other substances easily. They are found in pure form in nature. So when copper is heated, it combines with oxygen to form copper oxide. And when aluminium is heated with oxygen, it combines with oxygen to form aluminium oxide. And chemicals of rusting or rusting of iron. Iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of water or moisture to form iron oxide. So Fe2O3H2O is also commonly known as rust. Iron objects lying in open places accumulate rust on the surface. So I'm sure you have seen rusting of iron. The process of rusting of iron is given here. Reaction with water. Most metals react with water to form metal oxides or metal hydroxides and hydrogen gas. Sodium reacts vigorously with water, giving out a lot of heat to form a colorless solution of sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is a highly combustible gas. And next, calcium reacts slowly with water, forming calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Metals like potassium and sodium react vigorously with water. Sodium reacts with water to evolve hydrogen gas, which immediately catches fire, producing a lot of heat, as I have told you before. So you can see the reaction of sodium, how the reaction of sodium with water is. It's like a firework, and potassium reacts with water also vigorously. Reaction with acids. Most metals react with acids and form salts. During this reaction, hydrogen gas is released. So magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid, giving you magnesium chloride. So that is chemical properties of metals. Now coming to some uses of metals. Iron. So iron is used for making steel, which has wide applications in homes and industries. It is used in the construction of bridges, houses, and in making magnets. I'm sure all of you are familiar with iron. Copper. Copper is a reddish-brown metal. Its surface may appear dull due to the formation of copper oxide layer. It does not react with water. Hence, it is used for making water pipes, industrial boilers, used in heating water and utensils. Copper is also used for making coins and electric wires. Aluminium. It is the third most abundant element on the earth after oxygen and silicon. It is not found in a free state as it is a reactive metal. Due to its high tensile strength, aluminium is used in shipbuilding and in making aeroplanes, automobiles, and utensils. Lead is a bluish-white lustrous metal. It is very soft, highly malleable, ductile, and a poor conductor of electricity. It is used in storage batteries as a sound absorber and in making alloys and insecticides. Zinc metal is used in dry batteries and in coating iron structures to prevent them from rusting. It is also used in the manufacture of paints, rubber products, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and alloys such as brass, bronze, and German silver. Chromium. Chromium metal is used to harden steel and to form alloys. It is used in electroplating on iron to produce a hard, beautiful, and lustrous surface and to prevent corrosion, as you can see how the bus is painted with a yellow color to prevent rusting. So these are the topics of chapter 4 part 1. Dear students, in case you have any doubt, you are most welcome to call me up and clarify your doubts. Thank you, dear students.